Guys, look, there's a red wing from Europe.
Coffees.
Guys, look, it's the red wing. We're out here with Quinn. This is the final series of my trip down to Stoneham, and I've gotten a lifer every day of it. And
every day.
Friday I went to Andrews Point, couldn't film it because it was raining all day, but hopefully today is different.
Yeah.
And I get some Harlequins on video.
Yeah.
And some other stuff. We're going for dove keys. There was a storm last night.
We gotta be more energetic for like the video, because that's like what all the YouTubers do.
Yeah, but we're not like.
We're not gonna be.
May I remind you, we're a birding channel.
Oh my God! Did you hear that? Oh, it happened again. Oh God. It's like one of those.
So anyway, yep. Going to Andrews Point
like one of those
for epic
YouTubers.
dove keys.
Guys,
Yeah.
clickbait. It will be clickbait. That's gonna be.
Yeah. There's a raccoon. Eider. Harbor seal. Some eiders down there. Quinn said he saw a Harlequin in the thing. What duck is that? Another eider. Alright, we got a Harlequin. We come up to Andrews. I see this giant a bunch of water come out of the middle of the ocean. And I go, I think I just saw a whale. I've never seen a whale before. Sure enough, there's a whale. Hopefully it comes back up. There's a whale. Jay, there's a baby whale. Holy crap. I got photos of it. Nobody believes us. There it is, it's right there. Holy crap. Oh, there's a common eider. Yeah, there's also a whale. Something like that. Harlequin. I got video. I think they have black under the wings, but razorbills might too. I'm getting awesome video. Brown booby. Brown booby. Brown booby. Right there. Brown booby. I have it on video.